Hi, this is Arin. We're starting Mini SQL series for quick review our knowledge and take some challenges. At the end of this video, you will expand your query skills about group by. So let's begin. Susan, one of salespeople, has come to you with a request. She thinks that she accidentally double entered the line item and order with a different product ID but the same quantity. She remembers that the quantity was 16 or more. The query wants from us to show all the order IDs with line items that match this, in order of order ID. First, let me show you top 10 rows of order details table. Now we understand that order details table has a line of orders, unit price, quantity, and discount. And the expected result is like this. Okay, we start writing select order ID from order details where quantity greater or equals 60. This query shows us the lines which quantity is over 60, but we need duplicate rows. In other words, we need query which shows us repeat for quantity over 60. Okay, we consider having cont star greater than 1 for get duplicate rows to improve our query. This improved query shows us the order which quantity is over 60 and each order has more than one order line. For example, one of records of query result is order ID 10324, which we can see quantity of 2 lines over 60, but no duplicate rows. So we understand that in group by, we must filter more and add quantity beside order ID. Actually, by adding quantity, we add new category like this. If we edit our select list, you see order ID 10263 has 2 repeat for quantity of 60 and 2 repeat for 65. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and support my LinkedIn.